In this video, I will show you how to scan your website. My website is fresh now because I already cleaned the WordPress core files, WordPress themes, and plugins. But still, there can be some malwares. So that I will install a free plugin, go to plugin and install. And search with WordFence. So WordFence is a very popular malware scanner and firewall. So at first, our task is to scan the malwares. Okay, the plugin is installed. Plugin is activated also. Go to your WordFence dashboard. Okay. So we have to put an email here. You can put one email to your multiple accounts, no problem. And I don't want to get any alert. Just check and continue. And this is asking to upgrade. No need to upgrade. No thanks. Okay. So first of all, we have to scan the website. Click on scan. Okay. So start new scan. So it will take a few minutes to complete the scans because there are lots of files in the WordPress repository. Okay. So done. Nothing is found. So first of all, if there are lots of viruses like this website, this is my one of another client's website and there are lots of viruses here, almost 86 viruses and all are theme viruses, right? So most of them are theme virus, right? The effect on the JavaScript files. There are also some PHP files here. Okay. In that case, you have to first click on delete the deletable files. It will delete the unnecessary files with at the core files. So if there are injected any unnecessary files like PHP or JavaScript, it will delete. If that is not a core file, click on it. So it will delete the unnecessary file. First thing is done. You can click on repair all repairable files. It will repair the files, but this is not good. You have to find the malwares manually in the files. That is good, but you can delete the deletable files. That's it. Now I will configure the firewall for future. Whenever I go to the dashboard, it will show me these are the viruses. These are the new viruses like that. So that is the firewall. Go to firewall. Okay. Manage web application firewall. So it's now in learning mode. It will activate it and automatically enable after 6 days. That's it. Now the login security, the brute force protection. What is that? What is brute force attack? Like in this website, so I'm going to incognito mode. So I know the WordPress dashboard access. As this is a WordPress website, this is common. So I'm trying admin, no. I'm trying admin password, no. I'm trying this like 100 times. So this is not secure. So using Burp Suite, a hacker can do brute force attack many times in a second. So within 1 hour, it can attack 10,000, 20,000 times. Password can be leaked and some guest password can work. So anytime, any hacker can access the WordPress website. So that's why we will confirm the brute force security. So what is that? Brute force protection is lockout after 3 login attempts. If any user or if any attacker try 3 times, he will be locked and locked for like 30 minutes. And after that, if he try 5 times, he will be locked like 1 month. And if any user try with admin or administrator or the website name, he will be locked immediately because these are the common username. So if any user try with this username, he will be locked immediately. That's it. Now save. So very easy, right? You can also block your IP from here, block some IP from here. Say in server, you can get a file like logged user. So you can get the IP addresses which who actually access the website. You can log the IPs if you want. And this is the allowed IP. Say, what is my IP? Search with that. So I'm getting my IP. So I can put the IP here. So without me, no one can access. That's it. It's very simple. It's a very easy process. I think it's clear to everyone. I'm going to save the changes. And another thing which is very important for security, you can bypass the login page. Say, this is made by WordPress. Using spyware tool, it's telling this is WordPress website. So everyone know in WordPress, he can go to the WordPress login page using WP admin or WP login.php like this. So you can hide the login page, hide the backend. How to do this? You can do this with a free plugin. WPS hide login. Very useful plugin, 1 million plus active installation. Just install it and activate. Done. Now go to settings and WPS hide login. Okay. So you can put anything here. You can put like Minhaj. Save. Done. So now WP admin will not work. 404 error. WP login.php. This is also not working. So what will work? My name, Minhaj, will work. Because I know the name. I know what I put here. So I can just log in. So this is another way to secure your website. This is called hide backend or login page hide. So whatever you put here. So whatever you put here, this will be changed. So WP admin, WP login.php will not work. Only this word will work to go to your admin dashboard. So this two way is very easy way to secure your website. Nothing is secure actually, but this is a good practice.